Assalamu alaikum everybody. This is Rubab Atif, English language instructor. I welcome you all on this auspicious occasion of Nikon Talent Hunt ceremony. I would like to appreciate all the participants for participating in all three competitions, that are speech competition, tableau competition and national song competition. We are privileged to have three honorable judges with us. I would like to introduce them. For speech competition, we have Sir Umar Javed, who is President at Rifa Society for Excellence. We have second judge, who is Sir Raja Ehtesham Shabir for singing competition. And for tableau, we have Sir Ali, who is giving his services in Islamabad Police. Now, rules and regulations. The foremost rule is that your content should be related to the topic, and the topic for Urdu speech is Mera Fakhr, Mera Pakistan. Secondly, the time is allowed for speech competition is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The first bell will ring at 2 minutes and 15 seconds, and for the last time it will ring at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The third rule is that your arguments, your logics and examples should not be based on politics and religious, or particularly targeting at someone. And if someone takes more than the given time, he or she will lose marks. Paper reading is not allowed, so please be careful about that. And last but not the least, the decision of the judges will be final. Judges, I request you to please leave your comments on the paper that is in front of you. Time that is allowed for national songs participants is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And time that is allowed for tableau, it's 4 minutes. And if there are more characters than 4 in the tableau, then maximum time is 5 minutes. So I wish you all best of luck, and thank you judges for your presence. Thank you.